In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see impressions on Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through this step by step. So even if you're new to Meta Business Suite, you'll be able to follow along easily and understand what you're looking at and why it matters. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by visiting the Meta Business Suite URL or by going through your Facebook page and clicking through to the professional tools until you see Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that manages the page or profile you want to analyze. If you manage multiple pages, double check that you've selected the right business in the top area of the screen before moving on. Once Meta Business Suite is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical column is where you'll find all the main tools, like your inbox, content, ads, and more. In that left-hand column, find the option labeled Insights. Go ahead and click on Insights. This is the section where Meta gathers your performance data and presents it in a more visual, easy to understand way. After you click Insights, you'll be taken to an overview dashboard. This is a central place where you can quickly see how your content and your page are performing. On this overview screen, you'll see several cards or panels of data. These cards usually include metrics like views, interactions, follows, and visits. Each card summarizes a specific type of performance over a selected time period. Impressions are closely related to views and overall reach, so pay special attention to the cards and labels that mention how many times your content was shown. If you don't immediately see the word impressions, look for metrics connected to your content's visibility and exposure. In many cases, Meta groups these under broader performance or overview sections, and you can click into the cards or adjust filters and date ranges to see more detailed breakdowns. Use the date selector, usually near the top of the Insights page, to choose the period you want to analyze, like the last 7 days or the last 28 days. This will update your overview cards so the impressions and related metrics reflect that exact time window. Taking a moment to adjust this makes your data more meaningful and easier to compare over time. And that's it. By going to Meta Business Suite, opening the Insights section on the left-hand column, and reading the overview dashboard cards for views and related metrics, you can quickly understand how often your content has been shown to people and how your presence is performing overall.